Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learned alphabets A to Z. Kids class name: yellow color, yellow color; red color, red color; blue color, blue color; green color, green color; black color, black color; yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids, now you coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw B. B for ball. Kids, now you draw C. C for cat. The alphabets of C, and use red color, red color. Kids, again use red color and draw D. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E. E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use blue color, blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw F. F for fish. Kids, now you draw G. G for guard, and again use blue color, blue color. Kids, now you draw H. H for helicopter. The alphabets of H, and use green color, green color. Kids, again use green color and draw I. I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J, and use black color, black color. Kids, again use black color and draw K. K for king. Kids, now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw M. M for moon. Kids, now draw N. N for nose, and again use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids naira O. O for orange. The alphabets of O. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw T. T for parrot. Kids now draw Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw R. R for rose. Kids now draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw T. T for teacher. Teacher. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella. And again use blue color. Blue color. Kids now draw V. V for van. The alphabets of V. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw W. W for wolf. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw Y. Y for yak. Kids now draw Z. Z for zebra. The alphabets of Z. And use yellow ochre color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.